Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable pop-up in Mozilla Firefox. Let's get straight into it. So if you want to turn off the blocker entirely, go here to the menu button. So three horizon lines in the top right corner and select the settings. Where they are, right here, settings. And now click on privacy and security and scroll down a little bit to the permissions. So right here, as you see, and you will see this unchecked box, block pop-up windows and third-party redirects. So you can uncheck this, but this will enable for all sites. Now, this is not recommended every time, but we can do some catch on this. So, if you see this manage pop-up and third-party redirect exceptions, click on that. And right here, you will type in the website address and click allow. After that, just save changes. What this do is you will allow the sites that has this pop-up that block pop-ups windows. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the